Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Make It with Mecca. I am your host, Mecca. So today's video is going to be a two-part video. It's going to be my daytime routine, which is this video, and my nighttime routine, which is next week's video. So if I'm wearing the same outfit in the next video, don't be alarmed, okay? So if you guys have seen my Korean skincare routine, I will link it up here. It's kind of outdated because I have changed some of my products in the last few months. So I wanted to show you guys how I prepare myself for the morning, and I wanted to show you guys how I prepare myself at night, because they are two different processes, okay? So my morning routine is a lot quicker than my nighttime routine, simply because I'm really bad in the morning and I do all my cleansing and face masks at night. So I never need to do a deep clean in the morning, okay? And then my nighttime routine, which is next week's video, it's always longer, more drawn out, because I have more time at night. So without further ado, let's get right into my skincare routine. So here is my morning skincare routine. So right now my skin doesn't have anything on it. The first thing I'm going to do is cleanse my face. So in the morning I do one cleanser. This is, let me show you guys. This is my new cleansing brush. It's like vibrating. You guys can't tell, but it's a vibrating brush. And really the head moves. So it's just a lot simpler than my exfoliating brush that I usually use. So what I do is I'm going to get my face wet. So I have my water. I'm just gonna rub water all over my face. And now my face is pretty wet. So what I'm gonna do is just move my brush around my skin. But right now I'm just using my vibrating brush to prep my skin with some water to get my skin ready for my cleanser. So I'm wetting it again, and I'm going to just be pushing my vibrating brush around. So right now I'm adding my foaming cleanser. It's just clean and clear foaming cleanser. I can get it from any Walmart, Target, whatever. I only cleanse once because I haven't been wearing makeup, so a foaming cleanser, water-based cleanser does it for me. But if you guys are wearing makeup, I would recommend doing an oil-based cleanser. And because this is my morning routine, I never wake up with makeup, so I only cleanse once. So I'm just using my vibrating brush to run it over my face, to open up my pores, to work that cleanser in there. Honestly, I'm going to return this brush because I feel like it doesn't do much for my skin. I kind of like my exfoliating spin brush better, so I am going to be returning this, but it is just good for this video. So I worked the cleanser in for about 3 or 4 minutes, and then I'm just going to begin the process of washing it off. So because I'm not at my sink, it's a lot harder. You guys can see I'm just pushing it around, so I just pat it dry eventually with a rag. I give up. So my skin is a lot cleaner now, and the next thing that I'm going to do is add some of my rose water toner. So this toner is pretty much empty. I need more of it, but it's certified rose water toner. I just work that into my face, pat it dry so my skin can absorb it properly. Then I add some moisturizer. So my good old St. Ives Renewing Moisturizer works well for me in the morning. It's super lightweight. All I do is put it on 5 key points of my skin, and then I just rub it in, work it in, and then I just pat it dry. I love how lightweight this moisturizer is. It's the perfect primer for my sunscreen. So I'm actually going to take my brush, my vibrating brush. Yeah, I'm just tapping my face. But I'm going to take my vibrating brush to actually just wake up my skin more so it can really absorb that moisturizer. And then as soon as I do this for about 2 minutes, what I'm actually going to do is take my trusty rosehip oil, which I cannot live without. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it all over my skin. I only put about 2 drops in 3 places on my cheeks and then my forehead. And I work that into my skin. It gives my skin this really nice shine. I really love how it looks on me. It gives me this bronze kind of look as if I am wearing makeup. And rosehip oil over time gets rid of scarring and everything. So I'm just going to work that into my skin. And then I add my finishing touch, which is my sunscreen. You guys can see how happy I am with clear skin. So I add my sunscreen. It's SPF 50++. It's Mykonos Korean skincare. So I just add like a finger full of that. And then I put it on the same 5 places I put my moisturizer on, so that way I can evenly work it into my skin. So you guys can see it's like white at first and then it completely disappears. I absolutely love this sunscreen and I do recommend it to you guys. So once my skin has absorbed the sunscreen, I am pretty much done. Usually at the end I spray more rose water toner on just to give myself a sheen, just to make myself look good. It looks really shiny, kind of oily, but I really love it, guys. So that's it for my morning skincare routine. Usually I just get dressed and leave. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My nighttime skin routine will be here next week, and then I will give you guys my weekly skin routine where I do my full mask, exfoliating, and everything you guys want to see me do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment down below, share this video, give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment if you want to see what I can do, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye! Hope you enjoyed this video. Mwah.